In this video, I want to show you how you can use some AI tools available out there to actually improve your marketing strategy and make the process of content creation and content marketing for your own products much faster and automatic. These tools not only can improve the quality of your products, but also can help you to improve the content for search engines. For instance, if you want to sell some item online, it doesn't matter if it's a digital product or a physical product. You need a couple of images of the product, you need some text information to fill some fields, and the whole sale is dependent on the information you enter here. The picture, the title, the description, tags, and every other field that you need to enter. So here I'm gonna introduce a couple of tools that can help you to do these things faster and better. So basically there are two case scenarios here. The first scenario is that you actually don't have any physical product and you just want to sell a digital product, like what I'm gonna do here. Actually here I came up with a design and I want to sell it on Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand service that you can actually sell some products with your design on those products. So here you need to come up with your own design. The second scenario is that actually you have already your physical product and you have a couple of pictures from that. So let's first go with the first scenario. For instance, here I have recently started my online store in Redbubble, which is actually a print-on-demand service. At the end of video, if you enjoyed this video, to support me, please take a look at my designs in Redbubble website. Anyway, here I want to actually add a new design. So the very first step is actually the image itself. If you're not an artist, it's really difficult for you to come up with a good design. So here I highly suggest that you use AI tools to generate some designs and images. The best tool out there is Midjourney. I've already created a couple of videos on this topic, so please check those to get ready how to actually use Midjourney to create some designs. But it's really simple. You just need to join Midjourney on Discord and then say imagine and the description you want. If you have no idea what to type in, you can see others' results and images and also their commands and prompts and then use them. Or you can just use one of these images already available here. It doesn't need to actually generate image. You can use these images here because these are AI generated and there's no copyright for them. Now I've already uploaded my image and I want to go with this image, but actually because I want to print this design on different products, I don't want to have it with background. I want to get rid of the background. So you can use either a tool like Photoshop and remove the background, which is a little bit difficult if you're not professional that much, or actually you can use an AI tool like RemoveBG. Remove.bg makes it really easy for you to get rid of the background. Just upload your image here. I want to go with this. And you can see, boom, it just got rid of the background and it's really amazing. Now, the only thing you need to do, just download it. However, now that I'm looking closely at this image, I don't want to have two glasses in the image. I want to get rid of this. But there are cases that you don't want to get rid of the background. And at the same time, you just want to remove an object from it. If you remove the background, it's really easy to get rid of this glass. But with considering the background here, it's really difficult to get rid of the object here. So there is another AI tool out there which is called Cleanup.pictures. It makes it really easy for you to get rid of any object, any extra object that you don't want to have in the image. So here just upload your image and select the item you don't want to have in the image. As simple as this. Boom. There is no sign of the other glass. Now let's take a look at what products here we have in Redbubble. For instance, this t-shirt. Here you can see that the size of the image is maximum, but it's really small. So here you can actually use another great tool to increase the size without losing any quality. You need to go to replicate.com website and then go to this application. I will put the link below in the description. Take a look at it. So here you just need to upload your image and then you need to define the scale to make it twice as this. So 2 would be enough, I think. Just submit. Now the size of this image is twice of the original, and you can see it's much better and the quality is really great. So I just need to save this and then use it here. Let me do that. I downloaded the image, but as I told you, I want to get rid of this glass here and also the background. So let me quickly do this. Okay, my design now is ready, and as you can see, it looks much better now. I just need to move it, place it here. You can see that it looks really great. Now it's time to actually fill up these fields here. So here I want to use a great tool, ChatGPT. It's really hard to come up with all this information from scratch, especially if you have a lot of products and you don't have that much time to spend that time on every content. So here I have ChatGPT Plus, but you can actually use the free version. It doesn't matter that much. But I want to go with GPT-4 here. I want to ask ChatGPT to write me best-selling title for a product about glasses of wine. So, well, this product is not actually my product. My product is just design. I don't want to sell glass of wine, but that's fine for now. I just want to show you how it works. You can see that it came up with a good title, a complicated title, Discover the Art of Wine Glasses for an Enriched Sipping Experience. And actually it's a good title even for my design. So I can put it here. And the good point here about this title is that it's unique. And when it's unique, it's good for search engines. Now it's time to come up with some tags. So I want to ask ChatGPT, come up with 10 keywords separated with comma about the title above. So let me just grab these keywords and place it here. And at the end, description. Write me sentence about title above to motivate people to buy my design. Okay, and just copy this. As simple as this, you came up with title, tags, and description. Now let me introduce the last tool to you. It's not exactly available out there because it's at early stages and you need to do some setups before you start using that. There are times that you actually already have a couple of images of the product, but you have no idea what to write. Even you have no idea what to tell ChatGPT to generate for you. So you can use this tool here. It's Visual ChatGPT. It works based on GPT model. You can upload your image and ask it to describe the image, tell a little bit about the image, and then you can use that description and feed it into ChatGPT to come up with all the information you want. Now let me show you how you can set up this tool and start using that. You need to go to this Colab project. I put the link in the description below, but you don't need to do anything special. The only thing you need to do here is that grab your API key from OpenAPI because it works based on GPT model. Just going to OpenAI platform here, platform.openai.com, sign up to the website, then come here, view API keys, and create a new secret key for yourself. Grab this code, go back to the Colab project. You need to come to this part here, OpenAPI key, and just replace the existing key with your own key. And after that, you just need to say run all. That's all you need to do. And wait a couple of minutes for it to get completed. Okay, now when it's done, you will see a link like this. Just click on that. And now you can start using this application. Just upload a photo. Now you can ask to do all sorts of things for you. For example, describe this image. Well, the image you provided is glass wine glass with red wine glass. Well, the result is not great that much, but it gives you some idea about some images that you have no idea. Then you can just feed it into ChatGPT to come up with a better title. So I just need to copy that and write a good product title for this. So I just wanted to show you how it works, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I put all the links below in the description. Please take a look at those links. And also, if you enjoyed this video, want to support me, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button. Have fun. Bye.